Hey guys, today we're going to learn something new and beginner-friendly. I'll show you each step so it's easy to understand. Let's get started. Today I'm going to compare Softr Airtable and FlutterFlow in 2025 so you can see which no-code tool fits best. Softr is super beginner-friendly, letting you turn Airtable or Google Sheets into full websites and apps. Perfect for simple projects and small businesses. Bubble is much more advanced and allows complex web apps with custom logic. But it comes with a steep learning curve that requires patience. Airtable itself is mainly a powerful database and collaboration tool. Great for organizing and connecting data, but it's not enough alone to build full apps. FlutterFlow focuses on mobile app creation with a drag-and-drop interface for iOS and Android, giving you native-style apps faster without heavy coding. Overall, Softr is for easy websites, Bubble for complex startups, Airtable for data management, and FlutterFlow for mobile-first projects. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.